Ant bit my foot.
What?
Ant bit my foot.
Oh, dude, all of it's in my eyes. All of it's in my butt crack. I know, I'm sitting in a pool. I'll guide you. I will guide you. No! I will guide your kids. Dude, stop. Hello there. We are Russian torpitists. I mean, Cuban. I thought it was Cuban. We're Cuban torpitists. You're out of my way. You suck so bad. Okay, we're both gonna rock it at the same time, okay? Let's see what the fuck. I wanna jump out of that one. Let's stand on it. No. Okay, Sam, we're leaving you.
Yeah, and I have your phone.
Oh, well, you don't know the passcode.
Oh, well, I'll just restore it.
No, if you do, you're buying me a new phone.
And you can suck my dick.
You don't have a dick.
Mine's bigger than yours!
My phone's better than yours.
Shut up. Nobody likes you.
Put that phone up.
Nobody likes you.
Put my phone up.
I don't. This is my phone.
Shut your ass.
I got a new one. Same case.
Oh, snap. Hey, don't run it. Oh my God.
I'm not gonna help you out, Grant.
You're right, I'll pull it with me. Put my phone up.
No.
I'll splash yours.
Okay.
We're taking a video.
5. No, Grant. Fuck you. Fuck you.
Put my phone in my bag. Put my phone in my bag.
Okay, splash it now.